A Strange Loop is a musical with book, music, and lyrics by Michael R. Jackson. In 2019, the show had its world premiere off-Broadway at Playwrights Horizons in co-production with Page 73 Productions. The Washington, D.C. production was postponed to December 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic. A Strange Loop premiered on Broadway at the Lyceum Theatre on April 26, 2022, following previews beginning April 14. At the 75th Tony Awards, A Strange Loop earned a leading 11 nominations and won 2, Best Musical and Best Book of a Musical. A Strange Loop also won the 2020 Pulitzer Prize for Drama. The show follows Usher, a black, queer writer writing a musical about a black, queer writer writing a musical about a black, queer writer, etc. The title refers to a cognitive science term coined by Douglas Hofstadter, as well as the song by Liz Phair. The chorus, depicted as Usher's thoughts, calls Usher's name out repeatedly. Usher, working as an actual usher for The Lion King, informs the audience about what the show will entail. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.